In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit YouTube videos using Capcut in just 5 minutes. Capcut is a versatile and user-friendly video editing app that's perfect for creating engaging YouTube content with ease. So let's dive right into it. First off, open Capcut on your device and tap on New Project. This is where the magic begins. By starting a new project, you create a blank canvas ready to be filled with your creativity. After opening a new project, the next step is to import your video clips or screen recordings. This is crucial since these will form the foundation of your video. You can import clips by selecting them from your device's storage. Make sure you've chosen the right clips that best tell your story or showcase what you want to communicate to your audience. Once you've imported your videos, you'll want to conduct some basic editing. Trim, cut, and arrange these clips on the timeline. This process helps refine the flow of your video, ensuring that your content is succinct and engaging. It's also where you can remove any unnecessary parts that don't contribute to your narrative. Take your time here to ensure a smooth, well-structured video. After shaping the basic structure, it's time to elevate your video. Add text, music, transitions, or effects as needed. Text can be helpful for annotations or emphasizing points, while music sets the tone and mood of your video. Transitions work to make the shift between clips seamless, and effects can add that extra flair, making your video more visually appealing. Experiment with these tools to see what combination works best for your content. Next, tap aspect ratio and set it to 16:9, which is the standard format for YouTube. Selecting the correct aspect ratio is important because it ensures your video fits perfectly on YouTube's platform, providing viewers with the optimal viewing experience. Once everything is in place, it's time to save your project. Tap on export, and for best results, opt for 1080p. Exporting in high definition ensures that your video maintains its quality when uploaded to the internet, providing a crisp and professional look. The final step is to upload your newly edited video to YouTube. You can do this easily using either the YouTube app or their website. Simply log into your account, click on the upload icon, and follow the prompts to get your video online. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently use Capcut to edit your YouTube videos, offering engaging content to your audience while keeping the process straightforward and fun. Happy editing, and I can't wait to see what you create.